Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error code 126. Load library failed with error 126. Again, failed to load dir from the list, error code 126. So it's when you try to open a game's software, you suddenly get this error, you encounter this error. So you have to download this DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer for Microsoft.com. This is free. You can download it manually here. And this is DirectX Web Setup exe. Click it, yes, and here you can install manually the DirectX setup. After that, restart your PC and try to run your software or games. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.